We are looking at question number 19 from chapter 23 of Concepts of Physics by S.C. Verma. A pendulum clock gives correct time at 20 degrees Celsius at a place where G is 9.8. The pendulum consists of a light steel rod connected to a heavy ball. It is taken to a different place where G is 9.788 meter per second square. At what temperature will it give correct time? Coefficient of linear expansion of steel is given. Okay, so first of all, let the final temperature, the temperature that we want to find out, let that be equal to theta. So change in length of the steel rod will be how much? L dash will be original length L into 1 plus alpha times theta minus 20 degrees. Okay, L dash is the new length of the rod, L is the original length of the rod, so new length will be given by this formula, where alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion, that is this value. Okay, now time period of a simple pendulum is given by 2 pi under root L by G. Okay, so in our question G is changing. Okay, so we need to change L by changing temperature, then the time period should remain same. So at 20 degrees Celsius, value of L is how much? L is not given, so we just simply write down that time period will be 2 pi under root L by G is 9.8. But at the new temperature theta, time period should still be same, but it should be 2 pi under root L dash divided by G is 9.788. So we put over here 9.788. Both these time periods should be equal. So we just need to solve them. So we ignore the common terms 2 pi and square root. Then we just need to obtain that L divided by 9.8 should be equal to L dash divided by 9.788. Okay. So 9.788 into L upon 9.8 is equal to, what is L dash? L into 1 plus alpha into theta minus 20. Alpha into theta minus 20. Okay, so L will get cancelled out. Then alpha into theta minus 20 is equal to 1 minus 9.788 divided by 9.8. Okay, I just need to do one more thing here. I need to put a minus sign because I took this term on the LHS and the term on the remaining term on the RHS. So then from here you will obtain that minus theta plus 20 will be equal to, here on the right hand side we will obtain 0.012 divided by 9.8, and alpha is taken in the denominator. Alpha is given to be 12 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, so when you solve this equation you will obtain that theta will be equal to minus 82 degrees Celsius. This is your answer.